Let's switch gears. We finished rational expressions and equations. We're going to discuss properties of exponents. Jog our memory here. It went over a few sections. I'm going to combine them all into one section, all the properties all at once. I think you will remember these pretty quickly and easily. So we had the power to a power. So we had something like x to the a over x to the b to the n power. And so we could say it's x to the an over x to the bn power. But then we could talk about the division. So when you are dividing and the bases are the same, you can subtract your exponents. So x to the an top minus bottom exponent. Okay, so that's a combination of there's the power, there's the division. Alrighty, what happens when we multiply? So let's say x to the a times x to the b. What happens when we multiply bases that are the same? We add the exponents. And did I catch them all? Power to a power? I believe so. Don't forget, anything to the 0 power is equal to 1. And anything to a negative power is equal to its reciprocal with a positive exponent. All right. So let's do a few examples, and then you can be on your merry little way. So if we have, let's say, 15 x to the 6th, y to the 7th, divided by 5x squared y to the 4th. And we're going to simplify. So we're going to reduce this fraction as much as possible. The 15 and the 5, those reduce, right? So we've got a 3. Our x's, we've got 6 x's in the numerator and 2 in the denominator, so we can just do 6 minus 2 and leave 4 in the numerator. We have 7 y's in the numerator, 4 in the denominator, so that leaves us with 3 in the numerator. So we've got 3 x to the, we said 4th power, y to the 3rd power. Easy peasy. Let's step it up a notch. Let's do x to the 9th over y to the 3rd times the quantity y over x to the 5th. Okay, remember this is a grouping symbol, the parentheses, so we first need to see x to the 9th, y to the 3rd times, this will be y to the 5th over x to the 5th. Okay, so now we can, if you'd like to, you could make it one fraction, if that works better for you, or you can leave it as multiplication, it doesn't matter. But we've got 5 y's in the numerator and 3 in the denominator, so we'll be left with 2 in the numerator. And 9 x's in the numerator, 5 in the denominator, so that leaves us with 4 in the numerator. Okay, trying to think if there's anything more challenging. Maybe we'll do one more, see if we can make it any more challenging for you. Let's do the quantity 5ab squared to the 6th power divided by the quantity 5a squared b to the 3rd power. Now remember, grouping symbols, we can't be going and dividing 5s because this isn't just 5, this is 5 to the 6th. So let's write it out. 5 to the 6th power, a to the 6th power, b to the 12th power. Remember, everything gets the power. Divided by, this will be 5 to the 3rd power, a to the 6th power, b to the 3rd power. Okay, so then we can subtract our fractions. So this will be 5 to the 3rd power. The a to the 6th can be completely divided away because they're exactly the same. And then you have b to the 9th. 5 to the 3rd, we can handle that one. That's easy. That's just 125, b to the 9th. Okay, there you go.